Hey y'all, today I'll be installing and telling you all about these Nomadik twist crochet braids. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're gonna be unboxing or unbagging some hair that I got from Janet Collection. The hair that I got is called the Nomadik twist crochet hair. I got the 1B Nomadik twist braid.
Sorry, babe. Nomadik twist.
Trying to make me look illiterate, like I don't know how to read. Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing or unbagging a package that I got from Janet Collection. And the package came, I already opened up the package, so the bag is gone. But I got this card, and I'll also put that information in the description box. The package came with these 2 alligator clips. And I got 8 packs of the 20-inch Nomadik or Nomadik or whatever. It says Nomadik there. It has a C here, but it has a K. It has a K here. Y'all pronounce it how y'all want to pronounce it, but I'm gonna call it Nomadik. This is what it's looking like. It looks like a spring twisty type. They're very light. It doesn't have a smell at all. Each pack comes with 15 strands. I'm gonna be installing these on my mom. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright y'all, so my mom has a lot of hair. So she went ahead and braided her hair down. She has some big braids in her head already. All I did was take loose the right side where her part was gonna be. And I did a few smaller zigzag part braids. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get a good angle, but I do have another video with me doing these zigzag part crochet braids in her hair. They give the illusion of the install being like an individual install, like it gives the illusion that you have individual twists in your hair. So if you're interested in seeing the full zigzag part install that I have, there's a card and a link for it in my description box below. But anyways, back to this install. We decided to leave those big braids just to speed up the process. This install took less than an hour. We used all 8 packs. I think we were like 3 twists shy of using all 8 packs. It was a very full install, but anyways, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'll be back towards the end of another video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. Enjoy. so that concludes this video. I want to thank Jenna Collection for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to review their hair. And I want to thank you and you and you for supporting Styles by Honey. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway, because I know you lying. For more pictures and videos of the hairstyle, go ahead and hit up my Instagram at Styles by Honey with 2 Y's. More hair information and a link to purchase, all of that is in my description box below, so don't forget to read that. I want to thank everyone supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.
Me I beg you, who am I guide them, Father? Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.